Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today we're going to be unboxing this puppy right here. This is the Miady 50,000 milliamp hour power bank. This puppy right here will cost you $35.99. Not a bad deal at all, especially in this day and time where prices of everything is so outrageous. So right now this is on sale 5% off for $34.99. But hey, for $35, 50,000 milliamp, you can't beat it. Why don't we go ahead and get into the details? Just give you a little bit of details on it. The Miady 50,000 milliamp power bank, milliamp hour power bank for travelers, professionals, 65 watt, fast charging, portable charger for laptops, smartphones, tablets, as a USB-C output, high capacity, external battery pack. So you get all that for $35.99, and it comes with a light on here, and you can fast charge 4 devices simultaneously. You have a USB 1, USB A1, USB A2, type USB-C 1, type USB-C 2, so you can charge up to 4 things at the 4 times. You have a real-time LED display. Okay, and this is good for, should be compatible with most of your, if not all of your devices. All right, guys, we're going to get ready to go into Eagle Eye View. But before we go into Eagle Eye View, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Give us the thumbs up. The more thumbs up, the more you share, the more we get into the YouTube algorithm, and the YouTube gods like that stuff. Before I say my catchphrase, hey, thank everybody for still rocking with the channel, guys. Hey, I was sick for about a week and a half. I had a real bad infection. So got over that, had to take some real strong antibiotics, got over that, so I am back. So without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Right, we're in the Eagle Eye View, everybody. This is how the box comes. So for $35, don't expect the 99 cent the best unboxing. It's going to be a simple unboxing. And there we go. So you have the unit. You have very thick wires. You have the book. That's all that's in here, guys. So we'll put this aside. So now I like the wires. That means it comes with some thick wires. When we get to the charging section, guys, I'm going to give you try to drop a couple of gems on y'all a little bit, about charging. All right, so here we go. All right, this is nice, the navy blue color. Comes in black and navy blue. You got quick charge, 65 watt. At the bottom, you have this big light. And you have the on and off right here. We'll get to that in a minute. So you have right here what you have. And I'm guessing that them 2 arrows is talking about is an input and output. So you got type C1, type C2, and then you have USB A1 22. You got that 22.5 watt max, 22.5 watt. So this is a 60 watt max. Port 2 is 60 watt, and port 1 is 65 watt. Okay, so there you go. So let's go ahead and turn it on real quick. See, it doesn't have any juice in here. All right, guys, came to find out there is 0 charge on this bad Billy, so I have to charge it from 0, kind of partially, so we can get that done. So what I'm going to do is we're going to charge up, but before we get there, we're just going to go ahead and weigh it, get that out of the way. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and weigh. We're going to charge it up and plug some stuff up to see how it looks when it's charging things up. All right, maybe in that order, maybe not in that order. All right, guys, let's get to weighing it, and we're going to put it on here. You can see it's already on, and we got 1,072 grams, which is kind of heavy, guys. So this is really meant for, long trips in the car, go sitting on the beach, you want a vacation. Maybe if you want to put it in your bag, or your carry-on bag when you're in on the plane. So as you can see, it does have some weight to it, guys. It does have some weight. So just be mindful of that. All right, let's go ahead, get up, and get to the next. All right, guys, we got a little bit of charge on here, 10%. So I can at least show you how the light looks. So you're gonna hold it down, and the light comes on, and then you're gonna dim it. You can make it blink by keep on pressing. Then it goes off. So that's the light. So it got 10% charge. Now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you how to charge it up. Now, before we go there, guys, okay, you see what I got. Now, the reason why a lot of people complain about a battery pack that's high capacity, 50,000, 60, 75,000 milliamp hours, or anything that's higher, or kind of in the 20s to 10,000, is that you have to have the right charger, the brick, to handle it. Sometimes we walk around with stuff like this. This is not going to be able to charge this all the way up to 100, guys. I hate to say that, but it's not going to do it because it's almost like going to trickle charge it. It's not as slow as trickle charge. Even something like this is going to struggle to get it charged all the way up. I think this is what, 30 or 25. So you don't want to use something like this. You can, but it takes longer. What you want to get, and you're going to have to invest in it, guys, you're going to have to get something like a 100-watt fast charger. You have to get something like this, or even this right here, which I think this is a 60-watt or 65-watt. Can't remember. But you want to get something that's going to be 65-watt, 50-watt, 60-watt to be able to charge this up at any type of speed. Okay, guys? So I'm just letting you know, you're going to have to invest, and sometimes these wall plugs will go on sale. So if you want to get one when it's on sale, 100-watt, 200-watt, 65-watt, 50-watt, you got to get above what used to come into your cell phone, or what you're buying at the at Five and Below, or cheaper. Everybody get cheap wall plugs that they just buy for their cell phone. If you're looking to get any type of something like this or something equivalent to this, you will want to get by a real, not a real wall plug, but greater, that you can put greater wattage, greater output. Okay, guys? All right, so let's go ahead. And so what we're going to do, we're going to see if the USB-C to C work. So we're going to plug it in here. You can see this is on. So let's go ahead and see if both. So we're going to put it in C1 right there. And as you can see, boom. Now it doesn't have that green charge, that green Thunderbolt, because it's not fast charging, guys. So you got to look at that. So basically, so you can go C1. Let's see if it'll charge up in C2. And it'll charge up in C2 as well. So both of these are, in and out. That's what that means right there, in and out. So in and out, guys. All right. So this is fast charge. It's probably going to say fast charging, but again, you don't want to use nothing like this. You want to get something that's going to be able to, and again, as you can see, the fast charge came back up. So yeah, you could use it, but it's going to take a long time to get it charged up. So what I would tell you to do, again, go ahead and get this fast charge. The 100-watt, 60-watt, 65-watt, do something like that, so that you can have, be able to charge up, when you get something like this. There you go. It's charging up. And it's still going to take maybe about 2 hours to charge up, 2 to 3 hours to charge up. It's already at 10%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it on the charge, because I do have somewhere to be in a little while. But as you can see, both of them charged up. So there we go. All right, guys. Again, I'm going to say it again. Please, if you're going to get something like this, or the Duracell one, I got one like this for Duracell, anything that's going to be, 50,000, 100,000, or 20,000, you want to get something with it, because somebody had complained that, well, the one I got, the battery never reached up to 100, because most likely you was using something like this, or you was using something equivalent, maybe something like this. It's not going to charge all the way up to 100. You want to get up to 100, you have to get what's recommended as far as to be able to give it a charge, charge it up. All right, guys, see, I got all the wires already hooked up. So, I got I got one iPhone, couple of, USB-Cs. We're going to try to charge up 4 things at one time. It's at 70%. As you can see, all the wires in here. You have 70%, and it's going to take about 3.5 to 3 hours to charge it up, guys. So I'm just letting you know. So, all right, so what we're going to start off with, these puppies right here. There's some Sony headphones. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to take, say we're going to take this one here, right here. We're just going to go ahead and plug it in there and see if it comes on. And it's on, as you see. So that's plugged up. So we're going to put that right here. I don't know how to, just do it like that. I'll try to get it so you can see the light. It's plugged up. All right, the next thing we got is the iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and get it up. Boom, it's charging. All right, so that's charging. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the Pixel 8 Pro. It says charging rapidly, as you can see that. So that's charging. And the last thing we're going to go ahead, we're going to do the Samsung tablet. So as you see, it's coming up. See if we can get it to, there we go. So as you can see, now I was trying to say it's not enough juice coming, but so let's do this. Let's take this one out. Take this one out. We're going to do this one so we can see, because it could be just because everything is charged. Remember, once you plug up everything, everything is not charging as rapidly as it can charge. So this came back. You can see that's charging rapidly. You can see this one's up. It's charging. Let's see if that yellow thing comes back up. Give it a quick second. And nope, it's not coming back up. So there it goes. So it's charging up. There we go. So it can charge up 4 things at once, guys. As you can see, the iPhone is still charging. Right there, you can tell it's charging. And then you still got this charge. All right, guys, we're going to get back to the regular view, give my final thoughts, and give this puppy a grade. All right. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts on the Miady Powerbank. There's a 50,000 milliamp hour battery. And guys, I really do like it. I do like the strap that it comes with. I should have said that earlier, but I do like the strap. It's pretty good. I do like that it has the light on here. And you can kind of do different things with it. Turn it off. So I do like it, guys. So why don't we just go ahead and get into the grading. For the design, I do like the design. It's nice. It's not too ugly. I mean, you can't, do a brick like this size any kind of way. It's got to be done this way. So it's not going to all be all pretty and stuff. But I do like the design. So I gave the design a 5. Now the ports, I gave a 4.5. Be honest with you, they can get rid of one of the USB-A ports to me and add another USB-C port. Or, this is just me, they could have added a charge-only port, maybe at the bottom somewhere, so we can just charge it up and it goes, you don't have the dual ports up here. So I think one more port, get rid of one of the USB ports and do a USB-C. So I'm gonna give the ports a 4.5. Now price, I'm gonna give it a 5, guys. For $35.99, plus you're getting 50,000 milliamp hours with this. I think that's a good price because you can get a 50,000 at 65 watts, and you're still looking, with some Anchor, with up close to $200, and you're getting this, and this is portable. Now it's heavy. Now I'm not gonna tell you it's heavy, but you can take this to the beach. You can take this on a road trip, give it to your kids, and I'm charging for all the stuff. So I think it's worth it, guys, for $35.99. It's on sale right now, 5% off, so 34 something. But I would say go ahead and get one. If you need something, this will be the Miady Powerbank, 65-watt power bank will do you good, guys, at $35.99. Now, I will tell you this, like I said, when we charged it up, it's going to take about 3.5 hours to charge. But to make sure you're getting it charged up, please get another wall plug. You can't use your old cell phone wall plug that you've been using for the last 5 years to charge up something like this or anything that's going to be high capacity. You want to get a 100-watt wall plug, or you want to get a 65-watt or at least a 50-watt charge plug or 55-watt. You want to pay a little bit of money, get that, and so you can get something like this because this is good when the light goes out. Hey, you still got to charge. You still can, charge your phone and use your devices. All right, guys? So, guys, before we go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank my new current, and new subscriber for rocking with the channel. Give us some thumbs up. Share it out. Get some deeper into the YouTube algorithm. And the YouTube algorithm, God, loves that type of stuff, guys. Once again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video, guys. We got some more unboxing videos coming, so hit the notification icon wherever it is on the screen so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. See you soon. Peace.